Hello and welcome guys. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do get that volume at my root. So normally my hair is very flat to my head and I don't have any volume. I do have naturally very fine hair and it is naturally straight, so I don't have any volume without having to get it. So I do start with a couple different products. Today I did curl my hair, and then I am going to go in with Pureology's Refresh and Go. And I'm going to just take this guy and I'm going to section out. I'm going to shake it up. I'm going to just take about 1/2 inch subsections. I'm going to do it on both my sides. And then we're going to do it on the back as well. Now this will help absorb any oils in your hair, which is what that is great for. And then too, because like I want some extra texture, something to grab onto. When your hair is just flat and fine to your head, it won't have anything to kind of grip to. So I do like to add in a little bit of a powder to my hair. So I use a dry shampoo powder. Just take this, and I just take a little bit of it, and we're going to powder it in. Savor this side. Once that's all sat in, shake it up. Really good in there so it can absorb all of those excess oils in your hair. And then I do just like to take a brush and kind of brush out those curls one more time. And then I do a couple of some teasing up. Separate out all of those curls from your hair. Volume that's starting to grow here. And then to finish off my look, I will be using our Wax Last by Redken. Now this product does work great to kind of hold it in place as well as give it some texture. So I just kind of spritz it in while lifting up the hair to create that extra volume. And this stuff does smell so good. Alrighty. And that is how I get my volume in my hair. Thanks for watching.